Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah, you hold it up. Okay. What else do we need? A glove box holder. Okay. No. Okay.
It feels fine.
Want to get those?
Yeah,
Okay.
they feel fine.
Some good stuff. All right. Welcome back, guys. So hope you're all having a good weekend so far. All right, so y'all saw the video in the beginning. Took my little princess out today. We went to Harbor Freight, got some free tools, we got the free bucket. So let's go ahead and look at that. But you know, just actually got the weekend off today to spend time with her. So spoiled her, went to Harbor Freight, got the tools, went and had lunch at CC's, played the arcade there, and then took her to the movies today. So it was a great day. I actually enjoyed this weekend, and I'm glad it's ending this way so far for me on a Saturday evening. So I can't complain. I'm feeling blessed. So let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so first on top, we've got this Icon Professional High Torque T-Handle Hex set. It is an 8-piece metric set. Those are the sizes it comes with. Okay, so we'll go through everything and then we'll take them out of the box. And of course, we got the free Harbor Freight bucket that's going on this weekend, so make sure y'all go get one. So she's picked out these things. We've got a matching black US General glove box holder. We'll put it on the side here for her somewhere, or maybe up top here or something. See what else she got in here. Now this one is actually for me. So these are going for $14.99 right now with the coupon. So make sure y'all scoop up some pliers. I meant to get some more these past couple times of the sales ads, but I'm gonna go back on it. I've debated on which pliers I wanted to get since I put my existing mobile setup into this toolbox for her. I'm just gonna replace with another set of Icons. I'm just used to using them. I've looked at other ones online. I thought about getting the Knipex. I just didn't want to pay the prices. For $14, I can't beat it. So there's that. These were on clearance. These are Hardy Mechanics gloves. Unfortunately, they only go down a size medium. They're about $2.69, but she'll grow into them over time. So she got those. She wanted some gloves. And then we got her a matching black magnetic hook. So that way she can hang stuff when she comes out here. And then for $3.99, she got her a pair of wire strippers. So yeah, that is the tool haul. Can't beat that. So she was super excited to get some new tools. We'll go ahead and get them opened up and throw them in the box for her. Alright. So we'll set this one to the side. So obviously with the glove box holders, they come in different shapes and sizes. So you can just push these tabs in like so on both sides and the back here. And then you'll be able to slide your glove box in there. So let's go get one for her. So I do keep stocks of these for my wife. These are the Hardys. So as you can see, it's kind of loose in there. What we'll do is we'll push it in some more. And it should sit snug just like that. So we'll just set it to the side just like this, so that way she has easy access to it. Alright. So there you go. Wire strippers. Let's see. I believe they go in here. So we'll throw those in there for her. And we'll get this magnetic hook up. Okay, that way she can hang her jacket when she comes out here. She's got a pair of gloves too. Alright, for the icon set, she was really happy about this one. So as always, I don't rip these up because I do keep the boxes. I've been doing that since I was a kid. How many of y'all own Super Nintendos or Nintendos? Whenever I got the video games, I carefully take them out of the plastic wrapping, open the box carefully, had that cardboard sleeve in there with it, and I'd pull the game out, you know, look at it, read the instructions, and read that little manual that came with it, and I'd, you know, carefully close the box back up and put it on the shelf. All that hard work, and I ended up getting rid of it anyways. So in the past, whenever we wanted a new video game, you know, it wasn't like, if it was outside of like our birthday or Christmas, my dad would take us to the pawn shop and we'd take video games and we'd trade them in. So sometimes the game that we wanted and we traded in didn't come with the box. So, alright, so let's find space for this one. So let me get you off the tripod. Alright, so there's the T-handle hex set. Very nice set. Again, I think she just likes the blow molded tray as well too. It's nice and bright, so if you're using it in a low light environment, You can easily see the handles, clear sizing on there. Very nice set. So there was that. And down here, again, the gloves, the Pittsburgh wire strippers. So those items that we accumulated for this week. There's a magnetic hook there. Matches nice with the black box, black on black. Same thing with the glove box holder right here. Alright, other than that, this weekend, went and dumped some oil. I still got some more. The city only limits us 3 gallons at a time, unfortunately. So, went and did that. Went and picked up some fuel. I'm going and preparing for winter. So that way I have gas for my generator. So, then I also need to go put some fuel stabilizer in that this week as well. But I got 10 gallons there. So yeah, other than that, that is a wrap for this weekend. Yeah, nothing else. So it was a great weekend. Hope y'all are enjoying it. Tomorrow Sunday, I'll post a video up. So y'all take care, enjoy your Sunday, have a blessed one.